tree ring pour.
Here we go.
Okay, so we're just making little final adjustments here to paint right at the end. Sometimes you might think you need a little bit more glue, you might need a little bit more water, because it's the very end of the paint. So do what you gotta do.
Use it up. Use it up.
Now for the tree ring pour, we do try to make our colors in combinations of light and dark. So that's the only real basic rule of the tree ring. So like you can see each of us are doing a lighter color and then a darker color and then a lighter color and then a darker color, and that allows the rings to stay and hold and give you those nice cells at the very end. So it's really the only rule, and you're using up all the rest of the paint here. So just like I'm just using the rest of the pink and the orange and the red and the white and kind of just making a wet canvas.
And I'm going to go ahead and pop mine into a black background because we had a whole bunch of black left over. Just, you never know what colors you're going to have left over depending on what you've done with the rest of the kit.
So you just smear it all around and get things wetted out because it makes the rings move a lot better for you.
All right, now we're ready to go. Here we go.
Two different techniques. I do a really tight little spiral that stays right in the center.
I go all cosmic swirly and go in the middle and to the outside, as far as I can go with the cup anyway.
And you'll get two different effects.
Yep, you'll see it. Gonna stretch it out here in just a minute.
Alrighty then.
Here we go, a little bit of tilting, and this is where you gotta make the rings move around. Go, Heather.
See what you got.
Yep, this is where you get to decide when you want to stop. Everything's already covered, basically, so.
Yep, and you know it's all up to you. What feels good? What looks good?
And there you have it, the tree ring pour.
You can use this in so many different ways, and in other kits, we show you how to do even more stuff, so look for those.
Thanks for buying our kit, and this is the last of the 3 techniques that we're showing with our basic kit, and we hope you enjoyed it. Plenty more videos online. Like, subscribe, and look for our future kits, our pro kits on the way.
Can't wait to see what you guys have done. Thank you so much for buying our kit. We hope you're having a great time, having so much fun making incredible art. Come share it with us. Thank you. We love you. Happy pouring.